You are going to love 2015 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.